What's the matter?
I should go home. I'm late for dinner.
Where do we get off?
We get off at the next stop.
Sounds like you had a great time.
Yes, I want to go back.
Do you want to play video games?
Yes, that sounds great.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I fly drones.
What did you do on the weekend?
I just helped my dad clean the backyard.
Catch!
Oops, I missed it.
I hope it'll snow tomorrow.
I hope so, too.
Summer is coming.
School is out next week.
What will you do this summer?
I'll probably go to the beach every day.
What are you doing?
I'm building a birdhouse.
You're good at building things.
You'll be a great architect.
What time does she get up?
She gets up at 6:30.
What time does she go to school?
She goes to school at 8 o'clock.
What time does he eat lunch?
He eats lunch at 12 o'clock.
What time does he finish school?
He finishes school at 4:20.
How does she get to school?
She takes the bus.
Does he walk to school?
No, he doesn't.
Does he drive to work?
Yes, he does.
Where did she go on vacation?
She went to the beach.
What did she do on vacation?
She went surfing.
What did they do on vacation?
They went camping.
Did they go hiking on vacation?
Yes, they did.
What does she do on weekends?
She sometimes bakes cookies.
What does he do on weekends?
He usually goes to the movies.
How often does she do yoga?
She does yoga twice a week.
How often does he read comic books?
He reads comic books 3 times a week.
What did she do yesterday?
She cleaned the house.
What did they do yesterday?
They watched TV.
Did she study for a test yesterday?
Yes, she did.
Did he paint a picture yesterday?
No, he didn't.
What did he do at the picnic?
He took pictures.
What did she do at the picnic?
She ate a sandwich.
What did they do at the picnic?
They flew kites.
What will she do next winter?
She will go skiing.
Will he go sailing next summer?
Yes, he will.
What will they do next winter?
They will go sledding.
Will they learn to water ski next summer?
No, they won't.
What does she want to be?
She wants to be a vet.
What does he like to do?
He likes to learn about space.